Good morning, my dear students. So, today we will learn how to select multiple files or folders in our computer system. First, suppose this is your computer system and these are the four files or folders. Now, first I want to select all the files. First, second, third and fourth. What will I do? First, I will select the first file, then I will hold down the shift key. There is a shift key on the keyboard. I will press the shift key and hold, and then I will click on the last file or folder. All the files and folders will be selected. Second, if I want to select randomly any file, suppose I want to select this file and this file, then what will I do? First, I will hold down the control key, then I click on the files which I want to select. First I press the control key, then I click this file and folder, then I click this file and folder. In this way, my files and folders will be selected. Third, if I want to select all the files, suppose there are so many files and folders in our computer system and I want to select all of them. Then what should I do? On the top corner, there is a organize tab. I click on the organize tab and then select the option select all. My all files and folders will be selected. Now let's do all these things practically. Next, we will learn how to delete a file or folder in our computer system. Deleting means to remove or to erase. Now suppose these are the files and folders in your computer system. Now I want to delete this file from our computer system. What should I do? First, whatever the file you want to delete, first you have to select that file. After selecting, on the keyboard there is a delete key. Press the delete key, your file will be erased from the computer system. Second method. Again I want to delete this file. How to do? Again select this file, do right click. When you do right click, it will show you the list of options. From here, you have to select the delete. Your file will be deleted. And when your files are deleted, on the computer, there is a recycle bin. All the files which you delete from the computer system will go into your recycle bin. Suppose I have deleted this file. Now this file will go into your recycle bin. Now next is restoring files or folder. Restoring means to get it back from the recycle bin. When you delete any file, then it goes into the recycle bin. Suppose I have deleted this file, then it is deleted from your computer system and then it goes into your recycle bin. Now I want to get it back. How to do this? First, you have to open the recycle bin. First, we open the recycle bin. And how to open the recycle bin? There is an icon of the recycle bin. Click on the icon, your recycle bin will be open. Now, when your recycle bin will be open, it will show you the list of all the deleted files. Whatever the file you want to restore, suppose I want to restore this file, I will select this file, and after selecting, what will I do? I will do right click, and then there comes the option restore. I click on the option restore. This file is removed from the recycle bin and it will come back to its original place. So in this way we restore and delete all the files and folders. Let's do them practically.